You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this lake between California and Nevada. It's the border. If you want to learn more names of famous places in the US, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, like Yosemite, the park, lake. This one is pronounced as Lake Tahoe, right? Just pretend there's no E at the end. It's not Tahoe. Tahoe. Lake Tahoe, California. Stress on the ta syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.